guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Nair, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around. If you've been here a while, please subscribe to this channel because it gives me motivation to make more content. Today is a very special video for me because I bought a new phone. So the last phone I bought was 3 years ago with my very first salary, and I thought it was about time that I changed my phone. Also, OnePlus came out with a new model called OnePlus Nord, and it's pretty reasonable. It was only 27,000 for the 128GB, 8GB RAM, and I bought the 256GB with 12GB RAM for 29,000. My old phone OnePlus 5T was getting an exchange value of 10k. So I needed a phone with a higher RAM because I do everything on my phone. It's practically my personal computer. I edit all my videos on the phone and I needed something that doesn't lag. I use over 100 apps on my phone, so I need a lot of memory. On my last phone, 40GB was just apps. So let's get to the unboxing. Isn't she a beauty? I am so freaking excited. I'm not set it up yet. I did put my SIM card in. So I'm just gonna set it up real quick in front of y'all. The phone came along with a screen guard. It's just a basic screen guard, not a tempered glass. But they did have a OnePlus Nord cover along with it, which is great because this cover costs I think $700 on the website. Protection. Use protection, kids. I bought this phone directly from the OnePlus website because it was not available on Amazon anymore. As soon as it came out, it got sold out. I saw a lot of people were having issues with the delivery on Amazon. Now, I purchased it on the official OnePlus website. My phone was delivered to me within 3 days. On Amazon, some people pre-ordered it in July and they still haven't received it. So I guess that's something to consider. If you buy a phone on the OnePlus website, you get an option for a buyback. I still have my old phone here. The guy will come in the evening to take it after they deliver this. This video might be boring for a few of y'all because it's mostly me talking and showing you stuff about the phone. Welcome back, y'all. So it's been 2 days ever since I received my OnePlus Nord, and I wanted to address a few issues after I actually used the phone. So here is my beautiful, lovely OnePlus Nord. I'd like to address the negatives first. A lot of the apps were already pre-installed, such as Facebook, Instagram, a few Google apps. The problem I faced was I was unable to log into Instagram. And it wasn't just my issue. I went through hordes and hordes of tweets and comments on their pages stating the same exact problems people were facing. I know the brand. I have been using it for the past 3 years, so I knew they would fix it somehow. But my problem is that there was no response from the customer care. Not on Twitter, not on comments. I emailed them. The solution was pretty simple. I just had to activate the two-factor authentication on the browser on Instagram, which let me log into the app easily. The problem is that address your clients. They're paying a buttload of money and you're not even addressing an issue which so many people are facing. 24 hours I heard nothing from the brand. The next morning they comment saying, please reach out to us over DM so that we can assist you. No, I figured this out by myself, and then I went through Twitter and I was responding to everyone saying you can activate the two-factor authentication and your Instagram will start working. Now that the negatives are out of the way, let me talk about the positives of the phone. You guys, I love it so much. I have been on my phone non-stop. Like ever since I got it, I cannot get it out of my hands. Okay, I would like to address why I bought this phone over OnePlus 8T, because initially I was going to buy OnePlus 8 Pro. My main reason was the price point. The only thing better I could find in OnePlus 8 Pro was that the processor was a little higher than OnePlus Nord. It had Dolby Atmos for speakers, and the screen resolution was better if I'm not wrong. But why do I have to pay 20,000 more for all the features that I can get for a phone that I got for 20 because of the exchange rate? Also, the front camera on this phone is better. Also, the blue color looks badass. I've just been tinkering with my phone all day. As you can see, the screen extends beyond the camera, so the drag down is behind, which is crazy. Nord does not have dash charger. It has something called a warp charger. I drained my phone completely till it died because I wanted to see how long it takes to charge from being dead to 100. So it took me 1 hour 10 minutes for the entire phone to get charged. The battery backup is so good. I think the battery capacity is 4000 mAh. It's a little higher than my OnePlus 5T, and to be honest, it takes a lot for this phone to drain. Like, I played 2 games of PUBG within like 15 minutes of battery. This image on screen right now, I took it 2 years ago, and it looks so much better with the resolution on this phone than it did on my previous OnePlus 5. As you can see, the resolution of the Nord is so much better. Now, another thing that I would like to let you know is that this does not have a jack. Like, there is always a place for jack. Why would you want earphones without wires? You lose it so easily. But because this phone did not have a jack, I decided to buy the OnePlus earbuds. Now, I may or may not have sold my kidney to afford all these things, but they cost a pretty penny, 4990 is the cost. The battery life is supposed to be really good. I just got it 2 hours ago, and I've been using it a lot, but it still has 100% on this and 60% on the box. And when you're wearing it, it doesn't feel like you have earphones on. Without the wires and stuff, it is pretty convenient. So I understand the appeal. If I double click on this, I can receive calls, I can change music, I can end calls, so it's pretty convenient. Also, if you're using a OnePlus phone, it's very easy to navigate everything. I put the information on the screen. As you can see, all the things you need from the earbuds are available there. You can find your device. You can also change the button for whatever you want it to do. You can also see your battery of your device and the case. So far, I'm enjoying it a lot. I did read a few comments on Amazon where people were facing issues with one of the earbuds, but for me, it's completely fine. So, and the camera quality is rad. And it records in 4K on the front camera, so it'll be really helpful while I'm filming my YouTube videos. Look at that. As you can see, the experience is so smooth on the phone. Let's just have a little sound check to see if the speakers work well. Hello.
Namaste, Damas.
Namaste. What's happening?
Nothing. You told me to call, I called.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Finally, I'd like to talk to you about Cashify. This video is not sponsored by them, but as I mentioned earlier, I placed a buyback order on the official OnePlus website. The buyback was handled by Cashify. Cashify is a website that buys all your old electronics. You can just log on to the website and you can type your device details such as the IMEI number and if there are any flaws in the device, etc. And they'll quote a price to you. You can set up an appointment with them and they'll come and check your device and buy it. Since I placed the buyback order on the official website of OnePlus, I had to place an order for a phone. After I bought my OnePlus Nord, the buyback got confirmed and they placed an appointment for me in order to get my phone checked. I was so nervous about this because I was wondering, is it a scam? I read a few experiences online and people had a good experience with Cashify, but some people had to bargain or got a lower amount than what was quoted to them. So I was really nervous because I didn't want to bargain and I didn't want to continuously keep calling them to give my money back. Finally, on the day that I got my phone, later that evening they called me and placed an appointment for the next day. He came and checked my phone. I signed the invoice that I sold my phone, and as soon as I signed the invoice, immediately the amount got credited in my account. And you can't believe how happy and relieved I was. This is a great option because they were paying me more than Amazon. Amazon was giving me 7,000 exchange rate for my OnePlus 5T, but Cashify gave me 9,700. You do not need to place an order on OnePlus website if you want to exchange your phone. You can just go on Cashify website and place an order to sell your phone. This outro is being filmed on my new OnePlus Nord, so I hope you see a little bit of a difference with the camera resolution. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down below. If you have any suggestions, any questions, any criticisms, if I got anything wrong, if I could have done anything better, let me know. I will address all your concerns and I'll see y'all later, bitches. Bye. Hi.